read a book, enjoy a song, laugh and play and sing along. Now our hello song is done, so come along and have some fun.
Hi everybody, my name is Gino.
I'm Nancy.
We're so excited you came and joined us. We're going to have time now for some stories and some songs here at the San Diego Musical Theater Academy. And now, it's time for a story. One of my favorite books. Little Blue Truck leads the way. Horn went beep. Engines purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck rolled into the city. Beep, beep, beep. Isn't it pretty? Towering buildings scraped the sky. Beep, said Blue. The city is high. Zoom, roared trucks down the avenue. The city is fast, said Little Blue. Shove on, Shorty, yelled a double-decker bus with big red letters, rides are us. A grocery truck gave his horn a blast. Move it, bud, I'm first, you're last. Whoo-ee, went a siren, coming through. Busy police car, things to do. Swish, swash, swoosh, went a big street sweeper, hollering, "Hey, better move, little beeper." Make way, yelled a limousine, the longest car you've ever seen. I've got his honor, the mayor, inside. I'm important. Move aside. Cars and trucks were all in a tangle. Everyone started to shout and wrangle. Up roared a taxi. Screech went the brakes. Stop, yelled Blue. For goodness sake. You might be fast and I might be slow, but one at a time is the way to go. Me first, said the limo, all puffed with pride. Then he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there with the mayor inside. Beep, said Blue. Would you like a ride? His honor climbed right up on Blue and gave a speech the way mayors do. My friends, he said, what wonderful luck, this good advice from a little blue truck. One at a time is what we'll do, so single file, folks, follow Blue. Trucks and buses got in line, with vans and taxis, and it all went fine. A taxi let a van go past. The double-decker bus said, I'll go last. A marching band joined the big parade. Boom went the drums, and the trumpets played. They rolled along the avenue, and everyone waved to Little Blue. They clapped their hands and yelled, hooray, for the little blue truck who led the way. Bye, little blue truck, come back soon. Bye. Bye, little blue truck, bye.
We hope you enjoyed the book, Little Blue Truck Leads the Way. It's got a very important lesson in it. No one is more important than anyone else. That makes me think of a song that I love from a musical called The King and I, and it's called Getting to Know You. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me, getting to know you, putting it my way, but nicely. You You are precisely my cup of tea. Getting to know you, getting to feel free and easy. When I am with you, getting to know what to say.